Tagal or daoine an seo, tá min every seo, but it's rud my hay. But seo imní. Hello imní. Fáilte, ní rois agam gurú tosig chart. Tá mé go bra. I just needed a minute, like very overwhelmed very quickly. Okay, tá mé ceart galore. Tá mé ceart galore. Tá mé sásta. Díodíh, agus fáilte ras go Gaeilge. Sin a rud a dearm ag tús mo chuid físeán. That's what I always say at the beginning of my videos. And I know that an orta lán daoine and seo a bhíon ag arc ar mo chuid físeán. I know that there are a lot of people here that do be watching my videos. Instagram, YouTube, Mickling, we have students here as well. And if it's true about those two people who came from Italy, I have to meet you wherever you are. But Céad míle fáilte, you're all very welcome. Gur míle maigah as a bheith an seo an ard. Thank you so much for being here tonight. It means so much. I've never done anything like this, so I hope this speech goes okay. I can just hope for the best. So gur míle maigah Ciara as the chuid fácail Ceannaigh. Thank you so much for your kind words. Agus Blaine O'Hin a year ago, ní craid sin go Meon an seo an ard. I did not believe that I would be here tonight. Bhí mo Chroí lán le Gaeilge, my heart was full of Irish, ach ní raibh na fácail agam go fáil leis an Grá a Chroí. I just didn't have any idea where to start to put it, to portray my love with words. Agus chuidí Ciara go mór mórlam le sin. Ciara really helped me with that part, so gur míle maigah Ciara. But Rinne me an Culturland, táid seo sa Culturland an art. We're here in the Culturland tonight, maar is at ainta special to I dóide dúsa. There is a very special place for me, maar drastal me course of media production and seo. I actually attended a media production course here in the Northwest Regional College, and sin an at for my chuid skill in a físe. That's where I got my visual skills and how to make videos, and that's really where my passion for media production was born. Agus an at sin fásta bhuail me le chuidmhór daoine nach raibh an seans acu an Gaeilge ólam. So I also met a lot of people there who didn't have the chance to learn Irish, or they'd tell me, oh, you're so lucky you got the chance. You know, so it's at ainta specialty. Agus is bralam and spas and seo and Culturland. It's a great space here for Irish and Irish language. Mar dúirt me sprág na daoine sin mise chun Gaeilge a Rinne. As I said, those people inspired me to share Irish, and that's kind of how Gaeilge in Chroí came to be. My passion for making videos, but then I needed to make videos about something I was passionate about, and I don't know how I didn't connect the dots, that I had two passions that could come together. Ach leabhar Ceannaigh siad le chéile. One day they did come together. Agus rinne me mo chéad físeán ar YouTube. I made my first video on YouTube, just sharing a few phrases, and heal me go me a couple of daoine ag arcar na físeán sin. I thought a few people would watch those videos. Ach ní raibh clú agam an méid daoine eile atá an mhaoithin sin a bhfuil Gaeilge ina gríthe. I had no idea how many people were out there that also had Irish in their hearts. I could relate to that. Dúirt me mo chéad íseán gur thug me an taim Gaeilge mo Chroí ar mo Ceannaigh, maar I said in my first video that I called it Gaeilge mo Chroí. That's what I call my YouTube, because tá Gaeilge in mo Chroí. Láirim cuid mhór béarla. I speak a lot of English. You know, bhí Gaeilge in mo Chroí a gcónaí. Irish was always in my heart, and nuair láirim an Gaeilge maithíim rud special, so I feel something special.
The reason why I've called my channel that is because I feel like I speak English and that's the language I was brought up with, but anytime I speak Irish I feel like it's something like in here, like it's something close to my heart. I love the language and I feel very confident when I'm speaking it. It just feels right, and I want you to feel the same way.
And a lot of people have related to that since. And that's kind of really, you know, Gaeilge mo Chroí, Irish in my heart. That's an chúise bhfuilmuid an seo inniu. Mar tá mé clárta le físeán a dhéanamh. I'm used to making videos to share the Gaeilge mo Chroí, ach inné cúpla bliain after a few years. Bhí mé really leor a scríú. I wanted to write a book because ní raibh mé able to na smaointe a chur an uail a físeán. I wasn't able to get them across. You can't get everything across with a video, agus just tá cud mór grá agus facail misní agam so much love and just words of inspiration that could be beautifully shared in a book. Bhí mé ag géirí, Gaeilge a Chroí a hosú chun codú leis na daoine nach raibh an seans acu Gaeilge ólam. I wanted to make videos to help people who didn't have the chance, but also to make it more enjoyable for the people who did have the chance but just weren't enjoying it. But one thing that those people have in common is most of them I met would say, I would love to speak Irish, but bhrealam and Gaeilge Lord. So why don't we? Why don't we speak Irish? Well, níl sé chomh simplí. It's not so simple, but was we all would be doing it. Tá go leor dúchlan a gceist. There are a lot of challenges with Irish. I'm sure we all have our own challenge with it, but bóla míimid Gaeilge school, we learn Irish at school, some of us, and that doesn't really, with all that you have to do for the curriculum, the exams, it doesn't really allow much space or time for passion in the language. It's a school subject, it's a stressful subject. So sin dúchlan a bhain, that's one challenge. Agus is teanga a deacarí sin an rud a dearmid. It can be a difficult language, a challenging language. And Gerardini, níl céal leis, it doesn't make sense, it's backwards. Ar nó being agla of course, because of that, we're scared. There's just so many challenges that we face. Agus mar galar sin being naya bátún again. We're ashamed, we're afraid to make mistakes. And no wonder when you're wondering where does the séiú go? Is this an or is this a séiú? Ní higa mé sin, ní higa man duine seo, I don't understand this person. Maybe they don't understand me. So, tá go leor dúchlan rowan. We have so many challenges before us. So we're really drowning in negativity. Tá an Gaeilge in our Grá drowning in negativity. But it doesn't have to be like that. And sa leor seo ba waithlumm could you live? I'd like to help you to let the Gaeilge i do Chroí fast, to let it grow, to challenge those myths about it being not making any sense, about it being backwards. Let's challenge those, mar níl sé fear. And I really want to help you to see how you can open your hearts to Gaeilge, mar an Chroí éadrom a bhfad, a light heart lives longest. So tá an Gaeilge difriúil is definitely different from English, but we can have fun with that. In sa cabidil mar an Chroí éadrom a bhfad, in that chapter, Light Heart Lives Long, I show you how the direct translation can help us. It's quite funny actually when you directly translate Irish from English, but that can also help us to break it down. There are ways to go about it. We can have fun with it, and we can also realise an bhéarla an Gaeilge tá agin, the Irish that we have, tá bhéarla na hÉireann ag chud mhór agin. We have a lot of us have Hiberno English, or we've been exposed to it. So tá sí on, we can feel very disconnected from the language, but she's there, and she's all around us. Agus is cuid táhairte I dar bhéiniúlart. She's an important part of our identity, and for me personally, the more that I connected with that, the more that I learned about myself. And I think that when people start to learn Irish, they connect with that part of themselves, and it's something they're not expecting. They're just expecting to learn how to respond to Cajé Mar Tatu, how to order food in a restaurant or a cafe, but they usually end up surprising themselves, finding that Gaeilge in a gríthe, and that's what keeps them coming back. What's important about this book, I think sometimes what people think is, will it make me fluent? When will I be fluent? Or it's going to help. That's not what the book's about, because we don't have to be fluent. Ní caithimid a bheith líofa. It doesn't have to be all or nothing and tumla no dada. There's something in it for all of us, and we're all going to take something different from it. But sin rud is táhairtí sulta when she asked to enjoy it, to include it in our lives. And sin an tiidil atá ar an leor, your guide to loving and living the Irish language. I always say to people, just make it a part of your life, and that doesn't mean lower Gaeilge le hahan daoine, speak Irish to everyone and, refuse English, like that's not possible, that's not realistic. But you can find a way to make it part of your life that makes you happy. It is a guide to help you love and live the Irish language, and you'll realise that when you include Irish in your life, just an savers agus an sonas, just the richness and the happiness that you can get out of that. Tá Ceannaigh Eile sa leabhar nuair is gan and bia is feel a rinch. So when the food is scarce, it is generous to share it. Agus sin an rud atá mé géirí dheanú an Gaeilge just to share the Irish, and we all have to share it with each other, and we all have to come together in a space like this, culturally. Our Rinne Eilís, people can come together online, but we just have to share it agus Basi and Gaeilge in our gríthe. So that's really what it's all about. But Waithlam píosa ón Meon Eile, I'd just like to read a bit from the book as well. Tá an píosa seo ón cabaidil a héindeag. So this is from chapter 11. Is gairt éad na deora a sheiltir, ach is gairt go mór na deora nach sheiltir. So you will have also the translation and the direct translation. Like I said, direct translation can be very useful. So what that means is tears shed are bitter, but tears unshed are most bitter. And the direct translation is salty them the tears that are shed, but is salty really the tears that aren't shed. So salty tears in Irish. Just a piece from this chapter, I shared the story of Rinne Eilís, the Bridge of Tears, which it's quite a scéal bronach, gandad, but just a piece from this. So the story of Rinne Eilís, the Bridge of Tears, put sadness on us, current sé bron or in. Saying such a final goodbye was hard, bhí sé crua. And then there was the impact on spoken Irish from the emigration Immercha drain. Just as Irish-speaking communities diminished, so too did Anchanga Ihain, the language itself. But we can allow the brown, the sadness, to be a reason for broad pride. Martha and Gaeilge Lynn Gafoil, the Irish language is still with us. Whether we have couple or mila focal, a few words or 1,000 words, by Chartu and Callaroo, it would be right for us to celebrate. We should celebrate. How can we do this? By resisting the negativity, embracing the revival, and reclaiming our Janga, so we're not parting ways with our language or shedding tears from losing it. Jerer a héla a holter na cashline, one after the other castles are built, bit by bit. It takes Mishnah, courage, to learn Irish for the first time or the 10th time. It takes Mishnah to say that you're learning Irish. It takes commitment to make time for Irish, to incorporate it in our lives. Níl sé éasca to learn the language. It's not easy to learn the language. We have to look for deisina opportunities to use it. We have to find an spragu, the motivation. Tá sé deacair, is few é. It is difficult, but it's worth it. Sin just piece about an leabhar. Beckham go bhfuil an leabhar ag chudmhór daoine an seo. I see a lot of books here. Tá níos mó leabhar an seo. There's more books here. Gur míle mai ag the Little Acorns bookstore. Thank you so much for selling the book, for bringing it here tonight. It looks so good to see it like this. And just gur míle mai ag Ciara agus Siobhan for coming up from Dublin to support, and just gur míle mai ag Ciara for helping me to find my voice. And tá sé special to mar tá Gaeilge agree Ciara, Ciara really, I can see the Irish in her heart, like she said herself, and I've gotten to see it in so many people's hearts. And it's funny because I thought I was the one that had to inspire people, to motivate people, but they motivate me more now than anything. So gur míle mai go Ciara agus Stephen O'Riordan Fosta, the assistant editor who helped me so much, so patient, so kind, and Erin ar fad ag Hashed, the whole team at Hashed, and Culturalin mar dúirt mé as an spás seo. Thank you so much for the space. To Ragnag and Culturalin and Shaw agus Arlenia, they have classes here and online if you've never been here before. It's just a great space for events, classes. Grá Mór Eile, thank you so much to my family. I can make out Jack, Finn, Mum, you're in the darkness, but I know you're there supporting me every step of the way, and just, you know, bhí siad ag up the físeán. There were a few videos, I'm sure some of you saw them, maybe they feel like celebrities too now. Bhí siad co-tackle ag only so always so supportive, and I just wouldn't be here without you supporting me and, you know, just letting me be me. And and just thanks, Mom. Gur míle mai ag mo chairde. Thank you so much to all of my wonderful friends that have come out, Brianna all the way from New York, and McLean Pasta, a lot of students here, and patrons and people have just been viewing me and supporting me since the start. Gur míle mai agaibh. And yeah, just Lánachí Óráid. Gur míle mai agaibh. Well done. Gur mai agaibh.
Little gift bag for you as well.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. They just like full of on your shop.
Oh yeah.
Danny to giveaway, you know, relation. In Gwyddor, yeah. No, and chat cutie bug. Yeah, like. But then you're being shaggy, you get and really all brush up. Well, Paul.
Yes.
Went to Sultas.
Yeah. That threw me on lower. Slehenia, agus quickly made daoine.
Tá má cheol luair siúl a North Galterlin í Ceannaigh. Tá muid ag cealú má leabhar uair Gaeilge mo Chroí Irish in my heart.